Hi! In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro 5, and today I would like to show you how you can change screen refresh rate. First of all, go into Settings, and after scrolling down, tap on Display and Brightness. Now scroll down again, click on Screen Refresh Rate and tap on the best option for you in order to apply it. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!